Hi, welcome to the Kemp IT Law vlog. I'm Richard Kemp, and this is the second in a short series of 3 vlogs that look at data governance inside the organisation. In this vlog, we look at the steps organisations can take to approach data governance and management in a structured way. In the first vlog, we offered 2 views of data in the organisation: a common legal framework for data as represented by the 8-layer stack, and the organisation's data engine, its data input, processing and output operations. In this vlog, we superimpose a third view, the balancing of effective and compliant use of the organisation's data assets. Here, the objective is a structured approach to managing data projects that aims to achieve legally compliant data use in a practical way that enables the business to gain maximum advantage from its data assets. The rise of generative AI is fueling democratization of the benefits of data, with operational departments outside the CIO's group looking to use new capabilities and features. A top-down approach to data governance may result in a lack of responsiveness and flexibility, whilst a bottom-up approach, driven by operational usage, may be fragmented and insufficiently address legal, regulatory and business risk in a way that is consistent with good governance. Practical, incremental management can be built into a structured approach to data governance projects based around 4 steps: risk assessment, strategy statement, policy statement, and processes and procedures. The first step or work stream is a risk assessment of data used in the organisation, carried out along the normal lines of review, assess, report, and remediate. The review will focus particularly on where data is sourced from, the terms under which it's supplied, and how it's being used. It will normally also include recommendations by way of a remediation plan to correct any areas of non-compliance. The second step is the strategy statement, articulating the organisation's rationale, goals and governance for data, prepared by an inclusive working group or task force consisting of senior management, the legal team, the CIO's team and all other stakeholders. The strategy statement will need to align with high-level corporate objectives and with statements in other areas, including sector-specific regulation. Organisations will therefore be able to build on work already done in these areas to avoid wheel reinvention. Here, the roles of the CIO's group and the General Counsel's group will be key. Building on the strategy statement, the policy statement focuses on the people context, internal structure, governance and management detail, approach to data sharing, and the development of reusable project planning processes. The policy statement will drill down to the 4th and final step or work stream, the detailed processes and procedures to be used in the organisation's data management. These are increasingly likely to be built on technical standards such as ISO 385051. The processes and procedures will also tie into the organisation's HR policies and provide for awareness training. Our next vlog in this series looks at how organisations can approach data governance through technical standards. If you'd like to find out more, please check out our white paper at the link on your screen.